The city never sleeps, but let me ask you, are you tired? Tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Tired of seeing prices go up while your bank account stays the same? We're bombarded with messages about the hustle, the grind, but what if you're working harder and not getting ahead? 2025 isn't just another year, it's your breakthrough moment. While the average person repeats last year's mistakes, the financially smart are upgrading their money game. Want in? These 10 steps could be the reset your bank account desperately needs. And step number 6, almost nobody talks about it. We're going to break down exactly how to take control of your money, build real wealth, and make 2025 your most financially successful year yet. So grab your coffee, notepad, and let's get started. Before you can even think about leveling up, you need to know where you're starting from. Imagine trying to build a skyscraper on a foundation of sand. Disaster waiting to happen, right? Your finances are the same. Track every single dollar coming in and going out. Cancel those sneaky subscriptions you forgot about, analyze your spending habits, and identify those pesky money leaks. Awareness is power, my friends. Now that you have a clear picture of your financial situation, it's time to set some goals. But not just any goals. We're talking SMART goals, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. A goal without a plan is just a wish. Let's turn those financial dreams into a reality. Budgeting doesn't have to be a chore. Use apps like YNAB, You Need a Budget, or Mint to automate your budgeting. Set it up once, and it does the heavy lifting for you. Let technology be your financial assistant, not your enemy. Invest early and wisely. The biggest mistake you can make in 2025 is waiting to invest. Time is your greatest asset when it comes to building wealth. Start investing today, even if it's just a small amount. Remember, compound interest isn't magic, it's math. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow exponentially. Build a side hustle. Gone are the days of relying solely on one income stream. Building a side hustle isn't just about extra cash, it's about creating a safety net for yourself. Think about your skills and passions. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your income streams multiply. Upgrade your financial literacy. This is the step that most people skip, and it's costing them dearly. The more you learn about money, the more you earn. Follow financial creators, read books, take mini courses, invest in your financial education. Trust me, this is the best investment you'll ever make. Ditch bad debt fast. Credit card debt is like quicksand. The longer you stay in it, the deeper you sink. High-interest debt is a financial drain, sucking away your hard-earned money each month. Use the avalanche method, paying down highest interest debt first, or the snowball method, paying smallest balances first for motivation. Find what works for you, but whatever you do, don't stay stuck in the debt cycle. Build a 6-month emergency fund. Life is full of surprises and not all of them are good. Having a 6-month emergency fund isn't being paranoid, it's being financially responsible. Start small, automate your savings, and gradually build up your emergency fund until you reach your goal. Monetize your skills. You are sitting on a gold mine. Your skills, your knowledge, your experience. Teach online courses, offer coaching services, freelance, write an ebook, create and sell digital products. The possibilities are endless in the digital age. Surround yourself with financial winners. Remember the saying, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with? It's true in life, and it's definitely true in finance. Surround yourself with positive, money-minded individuals. Your network is your net worth, so choose it wisely. Outro: take charge of your financial future. That's it, your 10-step game plan to crush your financial goals in 2025 and beyond. It's time to level up your money game and stop settling for mediocrity. This is your year to take charge, make smarter decisions, and build the financial future you deserve. Hit that like button if you're ready to commit to your financial growth, subscribe for more wealth-building strategies, and let me know in the comments below which step you'll start with today. See you in the next video.